So first, you obtain a pre-cut 0.2 gram strip of magnesium ribbon. Dispose of waste in the container provided. Obtain a crucible and the lid. Wash, rinse, and dry them. Place the covered crucible in a clay triangle on an iron ring that is attached to a ring stand. Adjust the height of the ring so that the bottom of the crucible will be in the hottest part of a properly adjusted laboratory burner. The correct arrangement of the equipment crucible and burner is shown in figure 4.1. So heat the covered crucible for about 3 minutes. When the crucible is cool enough, you should feel no heat when you place one of your fingers about ½ inch from the bottom of the crucible. When the covered crucible is cool, transfer it to the wire gauze and carry it to a balance using crucible tongues. When moving the crucible, hold the wire gauze under the crucible. Place the wire gauze onto the balance pan and press the tab button. Wait for the balance to reach 0 and then place your crucible on top of the wire gauze. Obtain the mass of the covered crucible. Repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 until 2 consecutive masses differ by no more than the precision that is stipulated by your laboratory instructor. Record the mean or average value of these masses. You will use this result in subsequent calculations. So this is the 3 masses. So this is the second one, and this is the second mass. And then we're gonna record it again for the 3rd time. And then this is the 3rd mass. So after recording it, you're gonna add the 3 masses and then divide it by 3, and then you're gonna get your average mean for the masses. Cut the magnesium ribbon into pieces. With scissors and place inside the crucible. cycle without sides touching, not cut. Return the crucible to the clay triangle using crucible tongues and the wire gauze. The lid should be completely in place. Brush the bottom of the crucible with the flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Place the burner on the ring stand and heat the crucible in the hottest part of the flame for another 3 minutes. Use the crucible tongs to lift the lid carefully by a slight amount, allowing more air to enter the crucible. Continue step 8 until no metal is evident and no glow occurs when the lid is lifted. Remove the Bunsen burner and allow the cover crucible to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the lid and place it on the wire gauze. Add a few drops of distilled water from a medicine dropper directly on the contents. You may notice the smell of ammonia at this point. Place the lid on the crucible so that it is slightly ajar. Heat the crucible by brushing it with the flame. Next, heat the crucible in the hottest part of the flame for 8 to 10 minutes to convert the magnesium hydroxide to magnesium oxide. Remove the Bunsen burner and allow the covered crucible to cool for 10 to 15 minutes.
Obtain the mass of the covered crucible and magnesium oxide as you did in step 3. Record the mass. Heat the crucible strongly again for about 3 minutes. Then remove it from the Bunsen burner and allow covered crucible to cool for 15 minutes. Obtain the mass again. After reheating the crucible and letting it cool down, we're going to get the mass once again.